So there are legal AI tools and there are general purpose AI tools. So legal AI tools are specifically developed and designed for legal applications. As mentioned, they're grounded in actual case law, statutes, and texts. They tend to have quite robust confidentiality and privacy measures. The downside of them is they tend to be quite pricey. So there's definitely a cost-benefit analysis that lawyers have to go through in deciding whether one of these tools is right for their firm. And then on the flip side, you have general AI tools. These are designed for multiple purposes. They do have legal applications, but they're not designed for the law. They're trained on a broad range of texts. They are not at all private, so you should never enter confidential client information into them. The big advantage of them is they tend to be free or low cost. So I definitely encourage lawyers to sign up for one of these tools if they haven't already and start experimenting with how they can use it in their practice. So with that, I'm going to jump into a discussion of the legal LLM tool that I use, which is Lexis AI. By discussing this one, I'm not saying it's necessarily superior to other legal LLM tools. It's just the one I happen to use. If you're in the market for this, I recommend signing up for demos and trials, getting quotes and shopping around for what's best for you. So here's my little overview of Lexis AI. It has a lot going for it. The one concern about it is that it does tend to have issues with completeness and accuracy in the responses it gives. On the other hand, as I'm going to demonstrate, it is definitely a powerful finding tool, locating tool. So with that, I will jump into a demonstration of Lexis AI. So here we have the home screen for Lexis AI. You'll see that it gives you 4 options. You can ask a legal question, you can generate a draft, summarize a case, or upload documents and ask questions. Here it has saved all the queries I've done over the last 90 days. So as you can see, I'm using it quite a bit. And I'm going to start with asking a legal question. So you enter your question into the box here, select your jurisdiction, and press go. So I'm going to show you a query that I prepared last night. And here it is. So I represent a family doctor in a medical malpractice case. This doctor practices in a rural area and specializes in obstetrics. What is the standard of care? And here's the response that it generated in a matter of seconds or maybe a minute. So what it is a 4 or 5 paragraph overview of the law with citations to the relevant cases. What it's done is it's pulled up quite a few relevant cases, recent trial level BC Supreme Court cases. What it hasn't done, and this is an issue with Lexis AI that I hope they're working on, is it hasn't cited any Supreme Court of Canada cases. And that is an issue it has. It does tend to default to trial level decisions. So that said, the trial level decisions it has cited are quite good. They deal with the specific legal issue, and they also involve material facts similar to the facts that I have in my query.